Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll talk about adding text in Lightroom Mobile and a workaround. Since there is no normal way to add text directly, Lightroom Mobile does not have a built-in add text or graphics tool for photos, but you can work around this by using the Watermark feature. Start by opening the Lightroom app and select the photo that you want to add text to. Click on the Share button on the top right and click on Export as. Scroll down and you will see an option labeled as Include Watermark. Toggle this on and go to Customize. Now you can add text here as a watermark. So I'll just write anything like 6 scooter. And I can increase the size by sliding this size button. And I can do a horizontal offset like this. Place it in the middle and vertical offset like this. Yes, and that's it. And come back and export it. Now view it in gallery. And that's it. You have successfully added text using the watermark method. For more quick photo editing tips, check our next DelftStack tutorial video.